No. Whoa! Holy.
I've used a lot of it. Pants on the ground, pants on the ground.
I'm taking a big chunk of it to try and level out this floor.
Looking like a fool with your pants on the ground.
Will it work? Probably not.
It's like rolling.
If you guys watched the last video, you might remember me talking about the cracks in between where the bricks connect to the wall. We decided to take some putty and put it in every crack that we could possibly find. It was a really tedious job, but just taking some putty and squishing it in with our fingers, which honestly was kind of hard on the fingers, I'm not even gonna lie, but in the end it was worth it. Trust me, you'll see.
That end part looks good though.
It does actually look really quite nice.
It does. I did a good job.
It looks like it's already painted a second coat.
You can tell at the top, I didn't get to the top because I couldn't reach the two top levels, but looks good.
This is what we gotta do.
Definitely worth it, I think.
Because
it really sucks to do for sure, but I think it's worth it. You know?
Yeah. So all you gotta do
what I've been doing.
is exactly what you've been doing the whole time. Just so I can give you direction on what you've already done for hours. This will probably look pretty good.
Oh, it's gonna look so good. I can't wait.
I'm just doing what I can see.
Well, I mean, if you can't see it, there's no sense in
Yeah, I know.
doing it.
I'm just saying you could do every single one.
Oh, I wasn't doing every single one.
But
I was just doing any one that had like a black hole that I didn't think the paint would fill.
yeah.
So we basically run out of everything that we could use to fill in the gaps of the bricks. We ran out of the putty, we ran out of the caulking. We've got nothing left except for to paint the second coat. So I think is that what we're doing?
Yep.
I think that's what we're gonna do.
We're just gonna do it.
We're just gonna do it.
And if it's bad, or we find more holes, we're just gonna get more putty and touch it up.
Fill them in later.
We're not gonna do a third coat, but we can touch it up.
Looks pretty good though. Especially on camera, like it looks great. I mean, obviously these two bricks have not been painted yet because they were holes that got filled, but
yeah. It's okay.
I don't like it when I pan the camera over here. I'm just like, I just want to keep it over here.
It's a brick wall.
So last night we started the second coat of paint and we just weren't happy with how the wall was because there was still a bunch of cracks, but we also ran out of putty. So this morning we got some more putty.
Good stuff.
We're filling in all these cracks. These cracks are gonna go bye-bye today.
No more crack.
No more cracks. Looks great on camera. I mean, aside from the patchiness of like the paint, it looks.
Yeah, but the patchiness is on the bricks.
Yeah, not in the cracks.
I see places where but hopefully we can paint.
Well, I mean, we're not gonna be able to fix every single tiny little hole.
But the paint will fill.
Yeah.
Because we got to do in between, don't we?
Well, yeah, because we can't.
Because I filled over there.
Because we
got to start again with a second coat completely.
Yeah, pretty much. Because I filled. Yeah, there's filler everywhere. What do you think?
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Time to paint again. Guys, I apologize for my insanely crusty appearance, but it's time to roll the coat. Hopefully the last coat of paint on the frickin' front of this wall. We didn't finish the inside of the wall because we didn't have enough crack filler, but it's time to roll the last coat. Are you excited?
Hello?
Are you excited? Hello?
Hello?
Are you excited?
Yeah.
To roll the last coat?
What?
To roll the last coat!
Yes, dear. Jesus.
this time of the year, I can't stop asking why I'm struggling to stay. It's a mystery why I'm here. I guess I'm just too tired of fighting what you say.
First full coat is on. Our second coat. Oh, wow, that looks great.
Look nice on film?
Sure does.
Okay, yeah.
Looks amazing.
That actually looks like a nice little hose.
It does, it looks great. I love it.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Once we had the brick wall completely finished, Tyler and his dad spent the next week or so putting in our brand new laminate gray flooring, which really took the space to a whole new level. Once we got rid of that nasty orange floor, the room really started to look like something different, and I love it.
Like this never end. We have to try and keep the mood up. Stay.
I'm about to see the floor for the first time in person.
Oh, here it is.
Wow! Look at that!
There's our floor.
Wow! That looks so good.
It looks much better, doesn't it?
Oh my gosh, that looks good. Look at that. Look at that floor. That is a nice floor.
It is nice, isn't it?
Check it out. Oh, it looks so good. Instead of putting the wood paneling back up on the end wall to paint, Tyler decided to get these wood planks and put them up and make sort of an accent wall for our mantelpiece.
Sorry to bring you with my fault. Yeah, it's me that I'm fighting.
And I think that's where I'm going to leave the video for today. So if you want to see what happens with this mantle and this wall, make sure to stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end, and I will see you guys next time.